Professor, I'm Sandeep Sagar from Team Reflexes. So first of all, I'm going to explain the features of the app. So if I click on the main menu, I'm going to get advanced calculator, basic calculator, which I got it from the sample clone, and then have about me, and then have four themes: light theme, dark theme, red theme, and the pink theme. Yeah, let me go to the each and everything. Light theme is a default theme, like where everything is light, and dark theme is like it is for a dark and everything is dark over here. And here we have a red theme, and then we have a pink theme. All right, and if I go to the basic calculator, this is the calculator which I got from the sample, so I just kept like that. And if I go to the about me, this is about me page. I'm working alone, so I don't have a team. All right, next, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to one of the theme, basically advanced calculator, all four of them. So I'm going to advanced calculator, and I'm going to explain the some of the functionalities. First of all, I have a square root here, and the modulus operator, and the left and right operator. Let's find out the square root of some numbers. Let's take the 5, and when I click on 5 and click on a square root, I'm gonna get a square root of 5, which is 2.24. all right, I'm gonna clear it, and let's find out the modulus. Let's find out the modulus of 25 modulus 5 equal to, obviously it is 0. Let me clear, and I'm gonna do 25 modulus, this time 4, equal to 1, something like 1.4 something. And I have a left and right parentheses, so for that, let me do some calculation by using them. Let me clear it first. So I'm going to do something like 3 plus 4 into 5 equal to, obviously, 23. Let me clear it out, and now I'm going to use a parenthesis, like parenthesis 1 plus 2 close into 3 minus, again parenthesis open, 2 plus 5 parenthesis close, equal to 2. This is how we can use a parenthesis. All right, let me go to the code once. All right, so what I've done is I've taken a themes folder. In the themes folder, I've created 5 themes. So basically, one is like default theme, and the other 4 are like light theme, dark theme, pink theme, and red theme. If I go to each and every theme, so what I've done is first of all, based on a theme, I declared some colors over here, and then I based on a selected theme, I declared some values dynamically to the components, like one is like a button component, how the button should look in a dark theme, and how the label should look in a dark theme, how the shadows, how the page should look, how the tabs and the page should look on a dark theme, how the navigation and tabbed pages. This is how I declared dynamically on each and every theme. If I go to the light theme, my color palettes are somewhat different. The more the whites you will see more whites. And if you go to the pink theme, here you will see some most related to pink family, pink colors. And then red theme, I declared red colors. And coming to the navigation, I have taken a shell over here, shell, and in that shell I have taken a flyout menu. For the first flyout, I have one tab with declaring advanced calculator, and then I have a basic calculator menu, and I have about me. And then the second flyout, I have kept 4 themes, light theme, dark theme, and red theme. and a ping theme. So inside each tab, I've given icon, and then I've given the page shell content. So if I click on a main menu, I'm gonna get icon and the menu name. So I've for the themes I've given some colors to just to suitable for that, so we can easily guess which theme is it. All right, so how I've done this themes changing is, in my app shell, what I'm going to do is, whenever the navigation ended, what I'm going to do is, I'm gonna take the current navigation name and I'm going to pass to the theme change. Here what I'm doing is, I'm switching to the page, and based on a page, if it is light theme page, what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm clearing all the resources which I have on a app. If you see, by default I have a default theme. So what I'm going to do is, whenever there is a page change, for example from advanced page to red theme, this method gonna hit. From this method, what I'm doing is, if the page theme is a red theme, then first I'm clearing existing themes and I'm loading the new theme which is red theme. So that is how it is working. So I can go any page. Right now I clicked on a pink theme, so this code, this line of code gonna run, and dark theme, and just like that. All right, coming to the advanced calculator, like how I done this modulus, square root, left and right parenthesis. First of all, I've modified the code. I've given some comments like, first row, second row, third row, and each and every rows, so it will be like, readability. All right, if I go inside the CS page, what I've done is, on the basic code which I got, I remodified a lot. First of all, I removed some of the variables which I don't require. Then I modified this on select number, on select operator, and on clear, on calculate, on negative, on percentage, and I added one more call, on square root. Yeah, all right. So for whenever the concept is, whenever user enters any number or any special character or operators, I'm gonna save that in text, result text. So when user click on equal button, basically I'm doing the calculation. What I'm doing is, I'm simply taking the text, all the text, let's say like 5 plus 5. So when user clicks on equal to, I'm taking that 5 plus 5 and passing it to calculator dot evaluate. Evaluate is a new method which I've written in the calculator class. Yeah, what I'm doing over here is, first of all, I'm replacing with x with the star, and this divided symbol with the by, and m with the modulus operator, because to evaluate I need a star, not x, and by for divider, and this modulus operator for modulus. All right, so I'm replacing that, and then taking one of the data table from the link queue namespace, and then passing the expressions to the column, and I'm by using the expression, I'm evaluating that, and then passing into the double and returning it. If something goes wrong in this bunch of code, then I'm gonna get exception. In that case, I'm going to return null. So what I'm basically doing is, when I got a null, I'm gonna show invalid expression on the calculation page over here. If everything works fine, then I'm going to get a result over here, and if user enters the wrong expression, then I'm going to show invalid expression. All right, for the negative and the percentage pretty much the same. I'm just going to pass text to the evaluate. All right, for the square root, I'm just using the math namespace, math.square root. Whatever the result I got, I'm passing into that result, I'm showing it on here. That is how I square root and percentage. This is my code. All right, what I'm missing, yeah, about page is simply like, some bunch of images, labels and all, nothing fancy over here. And then yeah, all right, how I used icons here. What I've done is, on the MAUI program, MAUI program, I just added this font, material design font, and in the resources, in the fonts, I added that TTF extension font file over here, and from there I can use anywhere, like, wherever I want. For example, in the about me, I used some rocket font, like how I used it over here. I first of all, for the text, I can use something like that, helpers, material design icons, rocket launch. If you see my helpers, I created one folder called helpers. In that I have a material design icons. Here, for each and every icon, I'm giving the actual content, what each and this content is obviously coming from the fonts which I declared in the resources. All right, yeah, pretty much it. We can do all the calculations and advanced calculations by using all the functionalities over here. All right, thank you.